I'm going to go straight across to Anupam Mishra, who's getting us more details on that story, joining us live right now. The doctors there, the junior doctors, Anupam, continue to protest. Talk to us a little about what exactly are they saying at this point in time about the new things that are emerging in this case, the new pieces of evidence now emerging in this case.
Well, at present I am at BJP rally, and now let me show you the rally which is about to start here from College Square, and a lot of BJP leaders like Justice Abhijit Ganguly, who has just joined BJP ahead of Lok Sabha elections, has also joined this protest rally by BJP, which will start from College Square and it will culminate at RG Medical College. Now, BJP is demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and when we spoke with Justice Abhijit Ganguly, he said that he wants that Article 356 should be applied to West Bengal. The government of TMC should be pulled out, and that is what they are saying. They are also saying that the evidences have been tampered by Kolkata police, although Kolkata police has said that there is only one person involved in the crime, but they are saying that there are a lot of things which have been concealed. So right now they are about to start this protest rally from College Square. This is the heart of the city, and it's about 4 to 5 kilometers from here to RG Medical College, where the crime took place, and they will go to that place and they will try to speak to the agitated protesters. Hello?
Getting in those details from the protest site where the doctors are protesting right now. In fact, these are pictures of the seminar hall also where the body was found. Several questions being raised on the lapses in this matter. Surya Agni is also with us, joining us from Kolkata at a protest site where the doctors are protesting. Surya Agni, talk to them. Please give us an idea about what exactly are they saying about the CBI taking over the probe and the new information that has emerged in this case about every indication of this being a gang rape. Surya Agni. Surya Agni, if you could give us an idea about the protests that are taking place right now.
Well, we'll show you the protest right now. It's just about to start. We are here. We couldn't hear you because due to the loud noise over there. But I'll give you an insight to it, how it's looking right now. The first round of this protest, it's mostly women. That is what we can see. Now it's going to, this march will, continue till Arjikar, which is some 2 to 3 kilometers from this particular spot. So they're going to walk it down from here. It looks that, it's pretty, a long rally that's going to happen in a short while from now. Shubhendu Adhikari, along with that, Shukanta Majumdar are about to arrive over here. Over here are the women, the BJP supporters, who are wearing a black, a black ribbon on their head as a march, as a protest symbol. There's many BJP youth leaders over here who are over here. They are carrying the national flag as well. They are also carrying their party's flag as well. And over here, what we can do understand is that more people are likely to come in. It's a rainy afternoon right now. But we need to see, what happens when this, road show starts in a while from now. Once more, I'll just show you around how the entire area is looking. Mostly it's a woman-based rally. Many women supporters of the BJP have, arrived over here. And in a short while from now, this particular rally will start. Back to you.
As we know, there are multiple dimensions that are coming to fore on the rape case. There are lots of calls for a thorough investigation in the angles of gang rape. Doctors have claimed, 2 of the doctors who have spoken to India Today say that the autopsy indicates that there could have been more than one person involved. Do you hear those echoes among the protesters?
What I'll do is I'll try and have a word with the people who are over here, especially the women folk over here. We'll them. They are, they are the ones who's mostly leading this particular rally. I'll just go in and have some voices. I'll speak to them over here. मैडम एक बात पूछेंगे आपसे कि ये जो बहुत सारे थियरीज हैं कि और भी लोग जुड़े हो सकते हैं इस रेप मर्डर केस में, आप लोगों को क्या लगता है?
ये तो सही है कि क्योंकि एक महिला को एक व्यक्ति रेप करने से जो सबूत हो जाता है, लेकिन वो संजय का पास वो सबूत नहीं क्योंकि वो तो कोशिश करेगा ना बचने के लिए, लेकिन वो तो नहीं किया ना। वो तो देखा रहा है जो उसका कॉलर बोन भांगा हुआ है, वो तो एक आदमी से तो काम से नहीं हो सकता ये काम से। ये तो बहुत
over there. Justice Ganguly is over here as well. Sir, there are multiple theories that there can be many more people associated.
Not multiple theories, sir. Many more people who are involved who have not been caught by the police, arrested by the police. And Mamata Banerjee is leading the tampering and destruction of evidence.
Rudra is also with us. How are you looking at it? Because many women are of the opinion that it's not one particular individual, as I asked Justice Ganguly as well. How are you looking at it? Do you think there are more people involved in this?
Yeah, 100%. 100%. There is no doubt about it. We just see Mamata Banerjee is now busy with Kanyasri festival and they are cutting the cakes. Here is the signal. Whatever they are doing just in front of the everybody. Evidence tampering, police involvement, suppress the facts, suppress the evidences, everything they did. And everybody knows this thing very well. This is not at all a job of one criminal.
See, so there are many people, especially the BJP leaders, who are of the opinion that it's not the work of one person. It's there are others as well who are involved in this, and this is what at least the BJP leaders are of the opinion. Let's not forget that the demand for this, the CBI was initially, started by the BJP. However, it's given to the CBI right now. What happens in the inquiry